PW Magnum. This is also a trying to keep it if he's going to not win this race, I'm sure he'll take some serious we are also trying to keep that punch tight. With a long time to march here is that Evolution 3. Peter Jordan in the Integra is trying to catch up with him. But that's not going to He's keeping that lead. He's extending that lead further and further as he goes in this race. And look after that he is really and that little car was one to catch up on him here. It's a new hot choice. Driving his old car. Over there in Tower Bell, but they think that man is going to turn into these cars like Jeffrey. But the captain here is driving his own car. It's on plot number 111 on the truck there. The car is flying and crazy stuff just starting from the top. What's coming through? Why is the captain said he is gone? It is so bad. Hollywood Core opening up a commanding quarter mile to 5/8 of a mile lead over Davis Double Bell. And we still want the fight in between Sebastian.